Hi, this is needlepointers.com and I have a quick tip for you today. Cone thread can save you lots of money, but what do you do if you do not have a cone thread holder? Here is an idea. Put an eye screw on an empty thread spool and place the empty spool on the sewing machine thread holder. Then use a travel cup and feed the thread through the straw opening, or put the cone in a large mug or bowl. Run your thread through the eye screw and then thread your sewing machine as usual. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Please like, share, and comment. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the links to follow us. Also visit our website for lots of sewing, quilting, and crafting information, tutorials, and free projects.